This is Glenn with A Perfect Yacht, and this update is going to show you progress during December and January. A lot of attention was focused on the cockpit area, and lots of small details were planned, fabricated, and installed. Veneer was applied along each side of the cockpit perimeter, and the concept was to match the teak deck to the veneer in such a way that it looked virtually seamless. Lots of attention to detail was needed to ensure the seam is virtually undetectable. Several templates were made before the veneer was trimmed and glued into position. The 3M number 90 spray glue was used. The areas were carefully masked off as not to allow the spray glue on other delicate surfaces. Another area of focus was the dashboard. The openings where the gauges will be installed needed some extra care and attention. The holes were sanded and the circumference routed with a small bullnose profile. The steering system was dry fitted. Special modification here was needed in this area. The former opening was too large. I fabricated a ring from leftover hardened epoxy to decrease the diameter of the opening. Epoxy paste was used to secure the ring, and new holes drilled to accept the new tilt steering mechanism. Then, after I hand-painted the exposed wood areas, the next day later, some sanding with a fine grit sandpaper, then area was masked off and new all-grip royal blue paint was sprayed. Another area that was addressed was the glove box and glove box door. I custom designed and fabricated the cover and added cup holders on the inside of the flip-down glove box door. Towards the middle of January, we came to the conclusion that additional air was needed for the engine compartment, allowing for a nice, cool environment for the motor to work efficiently. A Doraid concept was employed in order to keep any water or spray from entering the engine compartment directly. This is a schematic drawing. Also pictured is a commercially available Doraid box. Nothing was suiting our needs. I found a small plastic drawer organizer that would fit the bill nicely. 3 holes were drilled and a drain tube added. These were then glued into position on the inside of the coaming. 3 holes evenly spaced and the exterior coaming on each side of the upper motor compartment. The small drain tubes will carry the potential water into the bilge area efficiently. A special light socket was also installed. This socket accepts a navigation light needed for running after sunset. Careful planning and drilling was needed to make the installation clean and tidy, along with being waterproof when the cap is closed. That's it. That's a recap for December and January. Hope everyone is staying warm this winter. We are looking forward to a great boating season. Captain Glenn, over and out from A Perfect Yacht.